Welcome to 3020 Forrest Meadow Lane, Hiawatha. Now this home's in a newer development north of town. It's less than 15 minutes to downtown Cedar Rapids, and it's located just off the interstate. This 5-bedroom home with over 3,300 finished square feet features a mother-in-law suite that is fully functional. It has a living room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, and a full kitchen. To view this home, feel free to look at the 3D tour online or reach out to me at 319-540-1002.